Now I've sanded this bowl down to 1,000 grit. I'm putting 2 finish coats of wax on it. Axe abrasive sanding paste. That's what I'm working on right now. You can see how dry this walnut is from by putting the wax on it. You see it darkens it immediately. What you're seeing now is just the darkening, but you're about to see what it begins to look like when it takes shape. So I'm gonna take that wax, I'm gonna shine that wax back off of it now at a pretty high speed, and I can feel that the wax is hot, which is what I want to see. I want that wax to get activated. That's where you get this shine. And I'm gonna turn it up a little bit now. Now, if you turn it off, you can see the difference from the outside to the inside. Now looking at the inside, you see how dry it looks. So I'm going to put some wax on the inside of it as well. Beautiful walnut. And I'm going to get this wax good and penetrated. You know, this bowl has years ahead of it, and every time it looks dry, there's not a reason in the world that you can't get some vegetable oil or walnut oil or whatever you like, and just oil it back down so that the wood doesn't dry out at all. So now I'm going to shine the inside of it just like I did the back. What's holding this thing on is a piece of wood that is glued with super glue to the bowl. And although I don't expect it to come loose now, since we put all kinds of pressure on it, turning it and sanding it, you never know. Now let's see what it looks like. Can you look at the grains? Isn't that beautiful? And now just to give it a little more of a sheen, I'm going to move to an axe polish paste, which could also be used as a restoring paste. So again, I'm going to start on the outside. It doesn't take much. Now it started to, once the first coat's in, this won't soak in as much as the first coat did it at all. And this is kind of like wax that you use on your car. This is a bowl we started last week, and you certainly want to be patient and take your time so that you do it right. To me, nothing's worse than a finished product that I can look at, find all kinds of problems with. Again, this is the only time I ever use cloth, and I'm extremely careful to get the ends of it together, because if this cloth will grab hold of something, it could break my arm or my hand. You can see a little bit of the extra paste that's coming off of it there. Again, I can feel the wax warming up, which helps it to soak into the wood. How about that? From just the sanding stage 5 minutes ago to the finish right here. And we're done. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe and ring the bell.